Hello my friends, welcome to Only Jazz and Blues. Today we are going to present some of the legacy of Robert Johnson. Robert Johnson's influence on music is immeasurable. He is considered by many to be the father of the blues, and his impact can still be felt today. His style was unique and ahead of its time, blending elements of Delta blues with a more modern sound. He was also a master of creating catchy hooks and unforgettable melodies. What's more, his songs have been covered by some of the biggest names in music, including Clapton, the Rolling Stones, and Led Zeppelin. His music has also been featured in movies, TV shows, and commercials. Even if you've never heard of Robert Johnson, chances are you've heard his music. In 1961, Columbia released King of the Delta Blues Singers, a compilation of Johnson's music. The album made its way into the hands of American folk artists, including Bob Dylan, and soon became an immensely popular title among artists in Britain's emerging rock scene, inspiring the likes of Fleetwood Mac, the Rolling Stones, and Led Zeppelin. Countless artists, including almost everyone mentioned in this story, have covered Johnson's songs, while many of rock's greatest guitarists, including Clapton and Jimi Hendrix, have cited Johnson as an influence. Johnson's work also helped usher in the electrified, mid-century style of Chicago blues, played by the likes of Muddy Waters, Willie Dixon, and Chuck Berry. Johnson's legacy and his immense contributions to popular music have been recognized by a broad range of institutions, including the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, the U.S. Postal Service, the Library of Congress, and the Recording Academy, which bestowed a posthumous Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award upon Johnson in 2006. Well, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.